Welcome to Commodity TV and the company introduction of OceanaGold. OceanaGold is a mid-tier gold producer and is listed on the TSX under the symbol OGC and in Australia at the ASX under the same symbol and is led by the new appointed CEO Michael Holmes. The company has 622 million shares outstanding and a market cap at the stock price of approximately $2 of approximately 1.6 billion Canadian. The global target price of all analysts following OceanaGold is $3.32, so lots of room for higher valuation. In a peer group comparison for the price to NAV and also the price to cash flow is OceanaGold on the company side with the lowest valuation. For 2020 gives the company a guidance of 360 to 380,000 ounces, gold production at $1,075 to $1,125 AISC per ounce. The proven and probable reserves are at 5.3 million ounces gold and 160,000 tons of copper. In addition, come measured and indicated resources of 9.4 million ounces gold and 170,000 tons of copper. The inferred resources are at 4.3 million ounces gold and 30,000 tons copper. Fantastic data and shows a lot of future potential for the company. OceanaGold has $183 million in cash, a debt facility of $200 million which is fully drawn, plus a leasing facility of $80 million. 118,800 ounces gold of macros are zero-cost collar hedges in 2020 at 2,000 New Zealand dollar up to 2,100 New Zealand dollars per ounce, and 48,000 ounces are advanced gold sales at $1,635 per ounce with a delivery in September to December 2020. Let's have a short look on each mine. We start with Haile in the USA. They target an expansion of the throughput up to 3.5 to 4 million tons per annum and a production in 2022 of approximately 200,000 ounces gold. Head grades are going up and the costs are going massively down. Haile has significant open pit and underground growth potential. Let's move to New Zealand to the Macraes mine. After the shutdown in New Zealand, have the operations fully resumed. In the second half of 2020, they expect the PFS underground study for Golden Point. As well, they target a significant extension of the mine life with new targets. With a gold price at $1,700 per ounce, they plan a free cash flow around $80 million for the mine. The resource at Macraes stands so far at 3.4 million ounces, but lots of improvement in front of them. The second project in New Zealand is the Waihi gold mine with an extended mine life above 2030. They are doing a district-wide study, which is also expected in the second half of 2020 for Martha Underground, WKP and other opportunities like a Martha open pit, regional exploration and Gladstone. At Martha Underground, they see an exploration potential of 6 to 8 million tons at 4 to 6 grams gold per ton, which would be a real booster in mine life and economics. Fantastic high grades were found at WKP so far with, for example, 25 meters at 38 grams gold per ton. Let's move to the Philippines, to DDPO. OceanaGold wants to get their FTAA renewal for the mine, which is now at the President's office. The mine is ready to restart and has strong community support. When they would receive the permit, they can be in approximately 4 to 6 weeks again in production, maybe 8 weeks. A good sign was the shipment of doré bars in March and the delivery of 100,000 liters diesel on site. They employ 1,500 workers, of which are 97% Filipinos, but out of those 97%, 57% are locals, and that's really important. The indirect impact is on around 15,000 people, and honestly, I think the Philippines should really give them again the permit to restart, as they suffer too from COVID-19 and also not getting paid any taxes, nor from the workers or the company. It should be viewed as a win-win situation for the people living and working there, and the state would generate taxes. OceanaGold is a great mid-tier producer with lots of potential, good mine life and also growing. Then, when DDPO comes back online, this company produces all metals which are in high demand today. Gold for wealth insurance, silver for renewable energy and e-mobility, as well copper for infrastructure and charging of the e-transportation future. The company can then also restart their dividend payments. OceanaGold is also part of the new SRC Mining and Special Situations Certificate, and I'm a shareholder of the company. Check it out, and thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Switzerland.